What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, guys. And in this video I'm going to be discussing if this one indicator could be showing us that XRP could have a massive surge to the upside. I'm also going to be covering Litecoin as it is being requested on the poll I've had on my Telegram. Talking about my Telegram, guys, if you haven't already, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. I give all my trades and analysis on my Telegram. The link is in the description. As you can see, I did a quick poll of which other altcoin should I cover, and you got 25% of the vote went to Litecoin. Also, I have given ZRX trade this week. We're up 75%. Basic attention token up over 20%. And last week we had a massive trade call of Link, which was up over 75%. So if you haven't already, go and give me a follow on my Telegram. The link is in the description. So first of all, I'm going to kick this off with XRP on the weekly chart. I just want to show you guys what I have noticed today. So as you can see, this is the MACD indicator. It gives you the current momentum of the market. It is a moving average indicator. So I'm going to keep it simple. For what you want to see for it to be bullish is when you get the blue line go over the red line, it is bullish. When the blue line goes under, when it crosses over under the red, it is bearish. More recently, I just want to show you by what I mean, make it a bit more simple. So we had this bearish crossover here, and this coincided with XRP melting down in price, going from roughly 40 cents all the way down to roughly about 21 cents. But what's happened when it's crossed to the upside, I just want to show you. So when we've had a bullish crossover, so again, when the blue line goes above the red line, it is a bullish indicator. So when we had this happen last time, it was back in September. And if you can't remember what happened already, I should show you. Forget the price range throughout. So we had the crossover here, and price went from 25 cents all the way to roughly about 80 cents, and we had a 210% increase. And once again, I'll show you what happened again once we had a crossover. So we had a crossover here back in early February. So if I just mark this out here, so we had this crossover back in February, and if I get the price range throughout, so if I get the price where we had the crossover to where it peaked out, we had an 83% increase. So at the moment we are on the brink of another crossover. Also on the weekly we have 3 green candles at the moment. I mean, the last time we saw 3 bullish candles was many months ago, because this could be showing us that possibly momentum is about to change. One, with the MACD crossover about to happen. I mean, it's not happened yet, but if current momentum continues, I believe we'll have the crossover. This will be an indicator towards the algorithmic bots to start placing orders, and I'm sure a lot of other traders are also watching this, and this will be a strong buy signal. So couple that with the 3 bullish candles that we haven't seen in a long time, if we can close above this weekly candle, if we can close bullish and we have the crossover, I believe this first target of 32 cents will be absolutely smashed, with the next target of roughly about 37 cents. But what's lurking above, I just want to show you. So just above we have this long-term down sloping resistance that we've had. It has withheld basically since the 23rd of April. So we followed this bearish lower high pattern which is bearish. Again, we've had 3 rejections. So again, if we have this bullish crossover, if we close above this candle's wick closes above the previous week, I believe we could expect at least a retest of this region here of roughly about 39 to 40 cents. And if we do break above it, I mean, that will be very, very bullish for price indeed. We could easily retest, no joke, roughly about 90 cents if we do break above this zone here. I mean, as you know, we have the swell convention around the corner. I mean, if you don't know what the swell is, it is the yearly conference. Ripple, the ones that operate XRP, the ones that created XRP, they have this swell convention, and they usually do make some kind of big announcement, big partnership, and a lot of hype is around that period. So that could be enough for this indicator to cross bullish. But like I said, for me to be bullish and to speculate to further upside, I would need this weekly candle to close above last week's candle. Also, just a bit of intraday action. Bear with me while I just clear this up for you. So I've just jumped on the 4-hour chart. Again, I've been showing this on my Telegram. Once again, guys, if you don't follow me on Telegram, you should do. A lot of this has been covered over the past couple of weeks. So I want to show you, we have this upsloping support here where prices touch 3 times. In my opinion, you'd look for at least 3 touch points to validate this trend line. So at the moment, this trend line is still intact. I've done a quick fib retracement on here. I believe even if price hits the 618 fib here at 27.8 cents, I believe this could still be bullish. I mean, my upside targets, they align perfectly with previous resistance here. As you can see, the minus 618 aligns perfectly with this previous rejection point of roughly about 32 cents, which was the last most significant high we had before absolutely melting down in price. So I believe these upside targets are still very well intact. So we could expect another tap maybe of the 618. If not, once we take out this, my next target is the minus 27 fib and the minus 618 fib. So that's my quick intraday targets. If you want to keep all up to date and my live analysis, go follow me on my Telegram. Link is in the description. And also to Litecoin, as it's the altcoin that you guys voted for me to do a cover for tonight. I just want to show you what these 2 red lines currently are. So these 2 red lines indicate when the Litecoin halvings happened. I just want to show you previously when we had the Litecoin halving back in 2015, what happened with price, very similar to what happened. So we had this buy the rumor, sell the news kind of trade. So people buy into the hype of the Litecoin halving, and the sell-off comes well before the halving even takes place. So back in 2015, we had a price increase of roughly nearly 800%, and then we peaked out here, and then by the time the Litecoin halving happened, we had a decrease of 71%. Again, I'm going to show you what happened more recently. So we had this bottom back in December, and then everyone was hyping about the Litecoin halving, and as you can see, price went up 500%, and now prices retraced 65%. So I just want to show you how similar this pattern was. And one thing to know is once price broke above this, price never fell under this line of support here. Price maintained this support all the way through before we had another breakout and we took out these most recent highs. So again, similar, this gray area of support was very, very, very important. I mean, once we broke out of it, price rocketed, and then look where we found support. We found support again on this gray box area, and I've drawn a fib retracement from the body of the candle back in December to the body of the candle of the most recent high that we had back in May, and look where prices found support, bang on the 78.6 fib. So that's another valid support in my region, and as long as price can hold above this grey box here, I'm still bullish on Litecoin on the long term, because look what happened previously. This whole region here, so we had this sideways price action for roughly about from 24th of August 2015 all the way to February 2017. So it was roughly about a year and a half, and then we had this absolute crazy price surge of roughly, let's have a look, see how much it went up to. So take it from the bottom here to the top here, we had a 9,000% increase in price. So I would expect now probably by the end of the year just to have some sideways price action until we will get the hype of the Bitcoin halving. I reckon around about December, January, February, there'll be a lot of hype around the Bitcoin halving, and this should in fact kickstart the new crypto bull market, and it will take the altcoins along for the ride, and then we'll see another Bitcoin cycle, in my opinion, last for roughly about a year. So is history going to repeat itself? I mean, if the history book shows something, more than likely, but like I said, nothing is guaranteed in this cryptocurrency market. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. What do you guys think? Are you bullish or are you bearish on XRP? Please leave it in the comment section. What other altcoins do you like me to cover in the next video? Leave it in the comment section. And also, once again, give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. You won't regret it. We've made over 175% profit in the past week alone. I also do monthly giveaways. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and please leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris, over and out.